The AppLoki Smart Door Lock A1 is a cutting-edge keyless entry device, utilizing advanced biometric fingerprint access technology with a high accuracy recognition rate of up to 99%. This lock is highly versatile, allowing entry through fingerprint, application, passcode, and mechanical key, and is capable of storing up to 255 fingerprints and 150 passwords. The lock also offers remote control via smartphone, enabling real-time tracking of lock and unlock records, and even the ability to set temporary passwords for guests. The AppLoki Smart Door Lock A1 is designed with multiple protection mechanisms, including automatic locking, virtual code to prevent peeping, and a warning notification after 5 failed password or fingerprint entries. Constructed from sturdy zinc alloy, the lock is capable of withstanding most weather conditions and also features an emergency power supply through a USB interface. The lock is simple to install, requiring no wiring or drilling, and is compatible with most standard residential wood doors.